Amazon QuickSight offers native integration with Amazon data sources such as Redshift, RDS, and S3. In this video, let's take a look at how you can create an analysis from data residing in Amazon Redshift. We first go down the path of a new analysis, choosing to create a new dataset. Since we haven't connected to this data source before, we pick a new data source. Here we are presented with two options to connect to a Redshift instance that is auto-detected, i.e. which is in the same AWS account and in the same AWS region, or to manually connect to an instance of your choosing. Let's first pick the auto-detected option. Now, before we are able to connect to Redshift, we need to ensure that the Redshift cluster allows inbound connections from the QuickSight IP address. To ensure connectivity, you should ensure that the cluster has the publicly accessible flag set to yes, and also the IP ranges in the security group configured correctly to ensure secure access only to the connections from the Amazon QuickSight servers. The IPs to be whitelisted can be found in the documentation and are different for each region. Once this is set up, you can then go ahead and connect to QuickSight by simply providing the username and password in the auto-detected flow. Now instead, if we were to do this using the manual connection option, we would provide all connection details just as you would when connecting to this database from a SQL tool, including the fully qualified DNS hostname. This database has been IP whitelisted, so we are able to connect to it and create a dataset in either direct query or spice mode. We'll opt to go through the direct query route in this case, and there you have it, a Redshift dataset ready to be explored.